Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I am doing my updated curly hair routine. So let's jump on in. Step one, I am going to go in with this Garnier buttercream. You guys know this is one of my favorites if you've been watching my videos for a while. So I like to take like a quarter size amount of this, and I just like to spray a little bit of water into my hands to dilute it just a little bit, and then I go over my entire head. And as you guys can see, I don't really touch my roots too much with this. I get a lot of product buildup, so I don't like to put product in my roots, and also my roots are wavy, so I don't really feel the need to put any curl cream in them because it doesn't really do much for me. And now I'm just scrunching away. Scrunching is a very important step in my routine. So now moving on to step number two, I like to take the Dad Climate Control Gel. This is also another one of my favorites. I take a good amount of this. It's been pretty humid here, so I just like to use a lot of this, and it doesn't make my hair crunchy or sticky or anything at all, so I love it. Something that I always used to do, and let me know down below in the comments if you guys do or did this as well, but I always used to start my routine on like soaking wet hair, and for some reason my curls would always turn out so frizzy. So I started to just do it on damp hair, like barely damp, almost dry actually, and for some reason my curls just turn out way more defined, and my hair just looks better when I do it this way. So right here I am giving myself a little scalp massage, and this is going to help with hair growth, but also helps to give me volume up at the roots so that my roots don't all stick together from the products. Moving on to step number three, I am taking this Humidity Shield spray from Living Proof. This product is specifically for frizz, and if you're wondering, does it make your hair hard and crunchy the way a regular hairspray would? The answer is absolutely no, which I love about it. And Living Proof products always just smell so fresh and clean, which is my favorite, so I love to top off my hair with this. So now I always get questions about how I get volume at the roots, and here's a little hack for you guys. Just clip the top parts of your hair and let your hair dry that way, and you'll have a lot of volume when you let it down. So I might make an updated volume hacks video for you guys too. But here is the final result. Have a lot of volume, a lot of definition, and yeah, this has been my current routine. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and let me know what else you guys want to see. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!